So market just opened. I'm looking to take some trades today. We got J Powell speaking later on, so the market could potentially be dead, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna pause for now and I'll let you guys know when I hop into a trade. I did want to say one thing though, that this is a live trade. This is not gonna be me having hindsight in my favor. This is straight live raw action. So this is what it's gonna be like to see a live trade right in person. So let's get right to it. So I'm looking to take some meta calls right here. This is meta on the very bottom left side. I wanted to take it above this green pivotal level, which also just happens to be yesterday's high. So what I'm looking for is a 5-minute close above this green level and not just some break above it. As you can see, we already broke above it. And if I was to take calls on that break, I'd be clapped right now. And honestly, I'd be pretty shaky. So I am looking to take some calls on meta. Currently, these contracts are running for 320 a piece. I'm just going to wait for a 5-minute close. So I'll update you guys once I hop in. So we got 50 seconds. Look at meta, guys. We were planning on taking meta. Damn, meta's running. Alright, but that's fine. We're in Tesla calls. 15-minute looks really good on Tesla. And VIX is reversing down. That's really good. Yeah, so we're currently in some Tesla calls. The buyers on Tesla look amazing. We're already breaking yesterday's highs. So I'm in one single trade. It's just Tesla. And yeah, so far Tesla is looking pretty nice. There we go. There we go. Alright, so Tesla is officially printing really nicely. I'm potentially going to stay in it for a good amount of time. So yeah, we saw a nice 10% on Tesla, which would have been a good exit to be honest, but we're still going to hold for this 15-minute close. We got 3 minutes coming in, and so far this last 5-minute candle is not doing too hot. SPY actually reversing a little bit, so that's not doing too hot. I'm still in Tesla, unfortunately. The buyers on Tesla are really nice on the 15 minutes, and the 5 minutes not looking too hot though. It's right at this pivotal level. So I'm potentially going to have to actually close out here real fast. Dang, Tesla, come on. What's going on with you? You just got wrecked? Tesla just got wrecked. We got officially 1 more minute for this 15-minute candle to close. So come on, Tesla. Okay, so 5 minutes are about to close right now in 2 seconds. It just closed. That was a little bit of a weak indecision candle. 15 minutes just closed decently strong on Tesla, so I'm looking for this push. We also got an inverse head and shoulders right here at this specific level. And so, yeah, if it continues on to break up, I believe that this inverse head and shoulders will really pay out really nicely. And let me just show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. I cannot click on it quick enough. Yeah, so Tesla got this inverse head and shoulders right here. You can see that we're right here at this break. Decent buyers. Like if I was to compare the buyers from yesterday's buyers, there has not been this many buyers for a minute. So currently in some Tesla calls, waiting for a nice break above this pivotal level. I know we're struggling pretty hard, to be honest, but I'm in some Teslas. So this is just what it is. This is what it's like to be in a trade when it's, you got to hold your emotions, got to make sure you're not getting too scared out or faked out. So we're going to hold it through because it looks really good. SPY's pushing really nicely. VIX is coming down. And Apple's finally reversing a little bit. Amazon's pushing like crazy. So, it looks good for some Tesla calls to be in some. Which we're currently printing. But come on, Tesla, you need a little bit. You can bump up a little bit more. I know you can. Apple is coming down. I'm not too sure if that's trying to influence it, but VIX is going down. SPY is decently trying to hold itself. Meta is still holding. Come on, like, what's up with you, Tesla? You have a nice price action inverse head and shoulders here, right on a pivotal level, creating higher highs. So, come on, Tesla. VIX pushing down like crazy. That should influence the market to push up. I'm not in these for hope. I'm actually still in these because this 15-minute candle has not closed to where I want it to in these 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. pause and let you guys know when I either hop out for a loss or see what happens with these 15 minutes, because we still got 10 minutes for this next 15-minute candle to close, but I'm still in these Tesla calls. So I'm still in these Tesla calls. Price action doesn't look too bad. SPY would still need to climb up. VIX needs to go down more. So I just hopped out of Tesla, although it looks like it's potentially reversing here. And I got clapped. So I'm gonna post this video and let you guys know what it's like to be a trader. I got clapped. I learned my lesson. Didn't have a 5-minute close above or even a 15-minute close. So it's pretty much the lesson I learned.